One day, a family decided to create a family video archive. They wanted to collect and restore old video clips. The family thought it would be a good way to remember special moments together. The family started by searching for old videos. They found videos of birthdays, holidays, and family trips. Some videos were very old and not clear. They needed some work to look better. The family used a computer program to make the videos clearer. They learned how to use the program together. It was fun and interesting. They saw videos of family members when they were younger. They laughed and shared stories about those times. After restoring the videos, the family put them all in one place. They created a digital video archive. Now, they could watch these videos anytime on their computer or TV. The family enjoyed watching the restored videos together. They felt happy to see moments from the past. The video archive was special for everyone. It was a treasure full of memories. The family decided to add new videos to the archive every year. They wanted to keep their memories alive for future generations.
What did the family decide to create? How did the family restore the old videos? What was the result of the family's project?